Good evening, Leena.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello, Didi. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, Didi. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, Didi.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
It's okay.
Namaste, ma'am.
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 Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't not.
Good morning, ma'am.
I cannot see you.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am is not yet here. That's why I
Good afternoon, ma'am.
do sketch.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. I don't have black sketch pen. I am using blue sketch pen. Hello, Didi. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Clear screen, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello,
Ma'am,
Didi.
everyone is speaking a lot. There's a lot of disturbance.
See you. Good morning, ma'am.
I can see you.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Please, everyone, unmute yourself so we can see ma'am.
I cannot see you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
can see you.
Good morning.
Please mute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good evening, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
ma'am. I can't see you. Ma'am, I can't see you.
Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Yes, and let me tell you one thing, students. Our class starts sharp at 5. Okay, so by 5 we started every time, every class. Okay, and today, yes, I can see that excitement on your faces. You want to learn, and today material required. I will remind you once again. We need any plain drawing sheet, or if you have colorful sheets, you can take colorful also. And if you don't have colorful, you can take a plain drawing sheet. Okay, any drawing sheet you can take, plain drawing sheet you can take. And see, I have a wedding card. So I'm going to use this red wedding card. See, I have this. So you can take this kind of cards also. I was having this, so I will be using this. Okay, and scissors, Fevicol, earbud, cotton, for doing little watercolors. And if you have, okay, this kind of artificial flower, if you have, it's okay. If you don't have, then also it's okay. It is not compulsory, okay? So, ready? Show your thumbs up. And thumbs up with badi wali smile, okay? Because you're going to make a lovely drawing. You're going to listen a lovely story on Mother's Day. So that smile should be there, okay? It should imbibe in your work. It is going to imbibe in your work, okay? So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, we draw, okay? We learn how to draw this using numbers and letters last class, right? Then we gave outline, okay? And okay, if any of you, if you don't have material, and if you don't have colors and watercolors, so don't worry. You can simply do plastic crayons, okay? You can simply do plastic crayons if you don't have material. So don't worry, okay? Whatever material you have, you can do with that. And Tanya, lots of blessings on the very special day of your birthday. Happy birthday, Tanya. May God shower blessings on you. Okay. See, these are some artificial flowers. Like suppose this is your mom. So in hair, I can put it. And in hair, I can apply it. Or in bunch, like these are artificial. So I can at the bunch, at place of bunch, I can put this. So this ways, if you have this kind of flowers, and one I want to put it in mama's hair. Okay, so if you have, it's okay. Otherwise, you can simply, we are going to do it with earbud. Okay. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. First of all, take pink and skin color. Take these two colors, pink and skin. Okay. Okay. Now see, first step we draw, second step we outline, and third step is erasing extra lines, right? So let's take eraser and erase all unwanted lines first. This is third step of our drawing, okay? Without erasing, you will not start. When you erase extra lines, your drawing become very neat and clean. You will find so many extra lines which are unwanted, okay? So always clean your drawing and then you start your coloring. Scissors, white sheet or colorful sheet. You can take white also. You can color it afterwards. Fevicol, little cotton and one earbud, okay? 1 or 2 earbuds. This is the material required, okay? So chalo, without delay, let's get started as we are going to do little craft also. So let's quickly finish it, okay? Chalo. If you don't have sheet, it's okay. I told you in beginning only, those who don't have material available, don't worry, okay? Don't worry. You can finish your work without this Divik. This is Davik Bansal. Divik Bansal or Davik Bansal's birthday today. So happy birthday, Davik. And lots of blessings. May God shower blessings on you. Okay, so once again, my lots of blessings are with you on very special day of your birthday. Happy birthday once again. Okay, so let's get started now. I erased all lines and I will take my skin color and pink color. Scissors, Fevicol, white sheet, okay, and earbuds and cotton, okay? Earbuds and cotton. Little cotton is required, okay? Little cotton 2 earbuds? And if not available, yes, Arav, if you don't have material, see students, many times I'm giving you reply in common without telling names. Ki Arav, this is reply for you. You were asking you don't have material. So if you don't have material, you can continue with that. Okay, this I've already replied. Now, pink. Okay, take pink and draw this kind of circles. Come on, let's get started. And now all of you focus on coloring. Okay, send messages only there if they are very important. Focus more on coloring. Now see, I'm going to do pink cheeks of Ayushi and Mama. And today's story is also related to Mother's Day special story. Okay, so I will be making this kind of, it's okay. If you don't have extra drawing sheets, it's okay. Don't worry, okay? If you don't have, it's okay. So see, this ways I will be making pink circles. Okay, right now you all just focus on coloring. Pink I will be doing in this middle part of smile. Okay, and in the smile of Ayushi. Okay, so let's complete the work of pink first. Okay, I did this middle part of pink, this pink. Here the smile is pink. Okay, and 2 circles for Mom and Ayushi. Okay. Yes, Tanya, I will think about that. Okay. Now, the next color is going to be a peach color or light orange or whatever you know it as. See, the great mistake students do, they always start their coloring from center. They start their coloring from center, which is wrong. The correct technique, then what is the correct technique? The correct technique is hold your color like a pencil, okay? And always start your coloring from a corner. It can be this corner, it can be this corner, it can be this corner, or it can be this corner. You will not start from center, okay? So first of all, you will start your coloring from a corner, okay? And now the second step, you will go for a small strokes. You will not go for big strokes, okay? And you will go in one direction only. Now see, I'm going for sleeping lines, okay? If you have met 2 girls, then also the technique is same, okay? Now the technique is same. Whether girls, boys, 2 kids, 1 single child, or 3 kids, the technique is same, okay? Skin color. So small strokes, one direction. And third thing, the very third mistake students do, they put lots of pressure on their colors, okay? So no, you will not do that. You will be moving your color very gently, but yes, you will repeat every stroke 4 times. You can see me, how I'm repeating every stroke 4 times with no pressure. So automatically you will get a very even and what you see everywhere. And normally students, what they do, when they find very limited space, they change direction. But you will not do this. If you will have very limited space, then also you will go for sleeping lines. Okay, this ways, as I'm doing. Chalo, let's complete face of Mom. Okay, sleeping lines, maintaining sleeping direction, small strokes, one direction, no pressure, repeat every stroke 4 times and finish. Okay. If you don't have skin color, in that case, you can try light orange. Apply orange, very light, okay? If you don't have skin color. So this way is using sleeping lines. I did change my direction and I started from a corner here, from chin. I will complete the face of Mom, okay? Yes, I will start with the story also, because today's story is very different and related to the drawing only. And as you will know the names of character, hai na? So the girl's name is Ayushi, boy's name is Rohan, and Mom's name is Angelina. Okay, Angelina is a very kind lady, always want to help others, want to see others happy, want to help those who are disabled, those who are poor. You know, she's a very kind lady. And kids know that my mama is very kind and want to help everyone. Okay? So see the completed face of mom Angelina. Okay? And I will, same ways I will be doing the neck also, this neck part. Yes, yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, okay? Finish. Finish this. You will not change direction, okay? Make sure you will be moving your colors in one direction. No pressure, okay? No pressure, no big strokes. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Now show me. Please lift up your work and show me how it's looking. Oh, wow. This is looking great. Small strokes in one direction, okay? Wonderful. Very nice. Beautifully done. Lovely. Okay, yes, many students want me to wait. I will wait for 1 minute, okay? Yes, ears. I left ears. Yes, I got reminder in message. Ma'am, ears are left. Yes, okay. I will start my story also. If you are doing colors in the single child, then also you will be using the same ways. Skin color, okay? If you are making single boy or girl, because coloring is going to remain same, okay? Acha, boys team, now you give answer. Boys and girls, now this is question answer round and let me see how you are giving. Only boys will reply quickly. Okay, I want thumbs up within 3 seconds. Okay, boys, shall I start my skin color from center? Come on, quick reply. Shall I start my coloring from center? Thumbs down, correct answer. Shall I start my coloring over eyes, boys team? No. Shall I start my coloring from a corner? This or this or this? Yes, correct answer. Boys team got full 10 marks. Girls, now you give reply. Girls, shall I start with the big strokes? I want to go for big strokes. Thumbs up or thumbs down? No. Okay, I want to put pressure on my color. I will pressurize and do my colors. Shall I go gently and repeating every stroke 4 times in one direction? Very good. Both teams are so confident. Within fraction of seconds, they reply, yes, correct. I will start from a corner. So see, the scoreboard says, boys team 10 marks, girls team 10 marks. Okay. So let's see. Because every time I feel like to declare that one team is winner, but other team don't let the next team to win. Both teams are so attentive. Today I kept the target of 3 seconds and they gave immediate reply. Really wonderful. Small sweeping lines, and I will start with my story. Okay. See, we are doing coloring. So those who join now or got late in joining, don't worry. I simply started my skin coloring here, but before that I apply 2 pink circles. Okay. So those who join late, don't worry. You start coloring. Okay. Yes. I will start with the story. Okay. Now, like every Mother's Day, this year also, both children, like Rohan and Ayushi, okay, they wanted to make the birthday of Mother's Day very special for mom. Okay. See, I completed Ayushi's face also. I will complete neck part. Okay. See, single kid coloring is same. Coloring is not different. Suppose you made a boy or a girl, so you will be doing coloring same way. Okay. Yes. Coloring of single child is not different, beta. Okay. Pink will also work. If you have pink colored paper or yellow colored paper, yes, you can. Okay. So see, the skin color is done. Now same with Rohan. I will start from corner as you all replied correct. Okay, okay, Vidhi, if you, Vidhi Venkat, if you forgot to draw this drawing, then do one thing better, you just attend the class and afterwards with the help of recording, because we provide recording of every class to every student. So you can complete this work, both drawing and coloring, with the help of recorded class. As you don't have drawing ready now, and as you missed the last class, so you just attend the class and see that how we are doing. Okay. See, video is just like full class, I just stop there. This complete recording of one class is there, okay? And you can even stop if you feel that you want little more time, so you can even stop the video. So now see, this phase I will complete Rohan's face also with skin color, sleeping lines everywhere. If you have done pink cheeks, it's okay. For boy also, you can do because it is young. Okay, so you can do, but normally we avoid. But if you have done, it's okay, don't worry. Yeah, we will be doing hands also. Okay, hands also, and all skin color work we will finish. So let's start with Rohan's hands. Okay, then I will complete Ayushi's, Mama's, ears also. See, students, if you will go to the link of class, where you get the link of class now, if you will see there you will find one link of recording also. So after a few hours, like today's class, suppose it gets over. So after a few hours, when you click on that link, it will take you to one more link. And that is the link where you get recording on my YouTube channel. Okay. So this ways we provide recording. I will start with the story. So Ayushi and Rohan, they also wanted to, let's complete Rohan's neck also. Okay. So they all both wanted to make Mama's day, that is Mother's Day, very special. Okay. So they were planning something and they started collecting money for that. Okay. They just wanted, because every time Mama was saying, when you give happiness, when you give smile on others' face, so it gives you the kind of happiness which is very rich and long lasting, and which is the true happiness, rich happiness. So that rich happiness word, it got stuck to the minds of Rohan and Ayushi. And this time they wanted their mom to have that rich and true happiness. Okay. So here you can see Ayushi's hands done, Rohan's hands done. Now let's complete Mama's hands. Okay. Small strokes, one direction. If you feel that your color is very blunt, please sharp it. Otherwise, the color will come out. Okay. Repeat every stroke 4 times and let's finish the skin color work in complete artwork. Yes. Yes, students, you were supposed to erase this line. Okay. As I just gave outline, this is a mistake. Okay. You are supposed to take care of this. And this ways I will be completing hands. Okay. So for completing and for giving this true happiness, okay, on Mama's face, they started collecting money. They were having a great plan. Okay. And they were collecting money. So what happened in a piggy bank? So 2 or 3 days before Mother's Day, when they were in room and they took out all the coins from piggy bank and they were counting. So suddenly Papa entered room. Papa wanted a pencil from kids. So Papa entered room. But kids were not knowing this. They were just counting the coins in their piggy bank, the money in their piggy bank. And they were talking. Oh my God, Ayushi said, Rohan, money is less. We don't have enough money collected. Now, how will we be able to give that true happiness? We have limited money. So Papa listened it. And Papa said, Rohan and Ayushi, please take me in your team. Even I want to be the part of your team and I will support you in making your mom's day very special, Mother's Day very special. So please take me also in your team. So very happily, Aman, Rohan and Ayushi took Papa also in their team. Okay. Now let's take black. Now see students, in one single drawing, we will be learning how hair can be made done using 3 colors. Like Mama's hair, I will be using black. Ayushi's hair, I will be using dark brown or brown. And Rohan's hair, I will be mixing these 2 colors. Okay. So actually they were having a plan. Okay. And for that, they need little money. So they started collecting money in a piggy bank. Okay. They wanted to give a gift to their mom, but this time the gift was very different. Let's take black color. Before that, I want to check the work. All of you lift up your work. Show me. Show how it turned up. Very nice. Amazing. Good. Okay, very good. Great. Okay, let's come back to work. Lovely. It's amazing. Everyone's work is amazing. Take black color. I want to make Mama's long hair with black color. How to start? I will start from here. Okay, small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Yes, I have checked everyone's work. Okay, everyone's work. And besides this, you are going to send it on my Instagram ID also. And see, this ways I will be moving in the same direction. And I will complete mom's hair. Okay? Yes. With black color. For mom's hair, I selected black color. So Papa also was there now in team. And they said, Papa, we need little more money. So Papa said, yes, as I'm now in your team, I will support you with amount. Okay, whatever amount you need, I will support you. But what is your idea? So they said, Papa, come close to us. Nobody should know, especially Mama. And they just revealed their idea. And when Papa listened to that idea, Papa's eyes were big with surprise. Papa was not at all expecting that kids will be thinking for such great surprise. Papa was really amazed. Okay. And now they just started working on for their idea to get implemented. If you don't have black, Arohi, you can do dark brown color, okay? If you don't have black, do dark brown color in Mama's hair. Black is a very basic color, so you should have actually. But today, if you don't have, use brown, okay? Small strokes, one direction. I started from the front line and finish this part with black, okay? Finish it. Gray. See, if you will do gray, so Mama will look old. So if you feel that your mom's hair are gray, then in that case, you can do that. Okay, yes, you can do that if you feel that your mom's hair are gray. Okay, golden also can be done. If you want to do golden, the golden color can also be done. But I will not suggest golden. See, so this way is black hair, and here also. I will give outlines in hairline. Okay, first give outlines everywhere. Small strokes, one direction, around earrings, around face, around body. And everywhere you will be moving your outlines carefully. Okay, and here also, as long hair. Mama is having long hair, we will be completing this complete your part with black. So see, I just gave a outline, okay, around hand of Ayushi. So everywhere you will be finding one outline, okay? Okay, this ways you will go out. Okay, so this ways outline, if you forgot, you can give outline after the class get over. Okay, although we give outline, we prefer giving outlines in the beginning only, but still you can give it afterwards also. So now see this ways, I will be completing outlines, and then we will complete hair of mom with black color. First give neat outlines. Okay, now see in this one single drawing. Mom here you can do black. Okay. Yes, if you want to use other color like gray or any other, yes, you can use. Okay. So Papa was very much surprised after listening that such lovely surprise kids have planned. And Papa decided that the money which is lacking, and Papa will support with money. And finally, the most awaited day, that is Mother's Day, came. So the very first surprise was Ayushi and Rohan, they put alarm. Okay. We will do craft in the end. Okay. In the end, first we will color it. So they put alarm so that they can wake up early morning, and they put alarm of 5 o'clock. And after waking up early morning, they went out of the house. Outside their home, there was a lovely lawn, and wonderful flowers were there with lovely fragrance. And they were knowing that mom loved nature. Mom loved beautiful flowers and natural fragrance of beautiful flowers. They just collected few colorful flowers like jasmine, rose, and lilies and all. They just collected it from there and made a lovely bouquet. Okay, they were knowing that sharp 6 alarm will ring and mama will wake up. So by 6 when mama wake up, they both were standing in front of mama's eyes with a lovely big bouquet and a great card for mom. The moment mama opened eyes, they just hugged mama and gifted Happy Mother's Day. They cried Happy Mother's Day and gave those lovely flowers. They gave a warm hug to mom and gave the card. And mama was very happy. Mama was also expecting that kids are planning something. They will be giving a card, bouquet, or some gift, or they will prepare some surprise cake. So mama was also expecting the same. The mama also hugged them with lots of love. And then she asked, "Thank you so much, my dear babies, my dear kids, Ayushi, Rohan, for making my Mother's Day so special. Now tell me what you want to eat in today's lunch. Okay, I will cook your favorite food." So mama replied, "Mama, I want to have pav bhaji." And Rohan replied, "But I love kheer and puri sabzi." So mama said, "Don't worry, I'm going to cook both the items today, both tasty dishes today." And then with a great smile, mama just wake up, get up, okay, and started work. And mama was thinking that this is all about the surprise on Mother's Day. But it was not the surprise. One more very big surprise was waiting, and mama was not even knowing about it. Okay, show me the work. Please lift up. Yes, very good. Long hair of mom. Great. Okay. And I can see Nirvi made a bun. Okay. Mama's head, over mama's head. Yes, you can try. You can change hairstyle also. Very good. Okay. So let's come back to work. Now I will be making yellow. Let's take yellow color for showing mom's dress. Okay. Yellow. So I will start from here. All these middle blocks, this is yellow gown of mom. Okay. So let's take deep yellow. Okay. And as we have craft also today, and we are going to do craft work also. So we will have to be in rhythm. Now, how to stay in rhythm? Like suppose you are doing hair, and I just step onto coloring in gown of mom. So you can do one thing, the remaining part of hair you can leave and come on the next coloring. Okay, this ways you can keep yourself in rhythm. Okay, because coloring of hair, now you know. So you can finish coloring of hair after the class also. So this ways, those who are having average or below average speed, they can keep themselves in rhythm. Okay. If you have big space, then also you will be going for, say from a single one also, the technique is same. You will be doing yellow color or any other color. You can make mom's gown with any other color. Okay. See, I don't have colored pic of a single child, only drawn I have. but the technique is same. In that case also, you will be doing mama's gown with color of your choice. Oh, okay. Ha, Sudiksha, see, if you are made, okay. Yes, all of you show your work. Lift up your work. Very good. Lovely. I can see a tiara also, a crown also on mom's head. Good. Shabash. Yeah. Everyone's work is perfect. Lovely. Okay. Now, yes, you can make do any color in mom's gown, but make sure you will go for standing lines. Okay. You will go for standing lines, one direction, and you will finish this complete yellow color in mom's hands. Okay. So this ways I completed the gown of mom with yellow color. See here also. Okay. That's the middle part of this. Okay. Now, as I told you, we are going to do, see, you can do any other color also. Okay. In mom's gown. Now, I'm going to do Ayushi's hair with dark brown. And for Rohan's hair, I will be mixing two colors. So you will learn how can we make hair in using three techniques. So let's take brown and start Ayushi's hair. Okay. Start from here, small strokes, one direction, same ways as we did for mom. Okay, technique is same. And I will continue with my story. Okay, so till afternoon time, mama was busy in kitchen cooking pav bhaji, puri sabzi, kheer for kids. And a great surprise was waiting in drawing room. And after completing work in kitchen, when mama came in drawing room, mama was surprised to see one great surprise was waiting there in drawing room. See, they were living just close to their house. There was a basti. Okay, basti, it means a place where there was a Goshala. Goshala is a place where all cows are kept and milk of cows has been sold. Okay, at many places it is called tabela or ghosi. I know that was kind of basti, slum area, and poor kids were living there. Okay, sometimes mama was going there to get milk. Okay, to take milk from there. So they were knowing, and every time when mama was there, sometimes Ayushi and Rohan was also going with mama to that slum area, and mama was always saying, see, they were so poor. I really want to help them. Okay. So they were knowing that mama in deep heart, somewhere in mama's heart, she want to help these poor kids. Okay. And helping them gives a true happiness to mama. So mama was, on many occasions, mama was distributing things. On birthday of Ayushi and Rohan also, mama was taking chocolates and sweets there and some gifts there and distributing there. And they were observing mama is so happy after doing this. They decided this time they will do this for mom. Take red color and Rohan smile with red, mama's tongue with red. Okay. And dark pink color in. Now see, let's complete Rohan's hair also. For making Rohan's hair, first I will move brown. Go for standing lines. Okay. Standing lines. This ways. And complete Rohan's hair with brown first. Okay. Continue. Do with me. I will fill brown color in Rohan's hair first. And then I'm going to do black over brown. So now see, in this complete family, each one is having a very different texture of hair. Mama's hair are completely black. Ayushi's hair are brown. Okay, and Rohan's hair, see brown. All of you say, after brown, you will move black on brown for Rohan's hair, okay? Yes, move black. So here you will find a lovely touch of black and brown in Rohan's hair. Okay, so if you want any kind of hair, you can pick up. Okay, so see, I completed Rohan's hair. I moved black on brown. So see, black hair, black and brown hair. Okay, we found three style of hair in one single artwork. Okay, so all 15 to 20 kids were waiting in drawing room. They all were poor and they were sitting in drawing room. Okay, Papa and both Rohan and Ayushi, they just called and invited them on the very special day of Mother's Day. Okay, take pink color, dark pink color, and yes. See, today we have class till 6. Okay, 5 to 6. Now, start with pink. Okay, dark pink color. Start from this corner. Anvi and Aryanshi, show the work. Anvi and Aryanshi. Okay, you have already completed. That's great. Okay, many students are so quick. They have completed the coloring also. Fine. So see here, this ways you will be doing pink color in dress. You can try any other color in your dress. You can make it colorful or designer anyways. Okay. So Praneeth, you don't give up better. Okay, just keep saying to yourself, I can do it. And if somewhere some color has been spoiled, so don't worry. Okay, don't worry. We can cover it up. You just keep doing. Okay, sometimes when we do better, so we spoil also. Our work is sometimes spoiled also. But don't worry. This is a learning process. Okay, so don't get disheartened with this. Acha, now see, after completing Ayushi's dress with dark pink color, I will select sky blue color for Rohan's t-shirt. Okay, for Rohan's t-shirt, I will be selecting sky blue color. See, this ways I will complete Ayushi's dress. Rohan's t-shirt with any color of your choice you can take. Just remember your favorite t-shirt and just apply the same color. I'm going to do blue. Start from the corner, small strokes, one direction, continue. Yes, Harshini, I will come to everyone's work. And when I look at work now, and when I reply that everyone's work is so beautiful, that time this reply is for everyone. Okay. So when I just ask you to show your work, I'm looking at everyone's work. I'm doing sky blue color in Rohan's t-shirt. And here you are absolutely free with your color scheme. Okay. You can do any color scheme of your choice. See, I'm doing sky blue color in Rohan's t-shirt. In one direction, I started from corner and same this ways I completed t-shirt. Okay, see. Yes, story. I will continue the story also. I want to check the work. Please lift up your work, all of you. Yes, so that I can understand that where it is standing. Wonderful. Lovely. Beautiful. Ranjit, stop sending rubbish messages. Okay, Ranjit. Otherwise, we will remove you from class. Yes, you can make multicolored also. Dress, you can make multicolored also. Okay, so this ways, we will complete our mama and two babies are ready. Let's pick up green color for background. Okay, so I will pick up this green color for background. Light green, you can try any other. I will start from this corner. Come on, start from this corner. And very soon after completing this circle, we will come on our most awaited, that is cutting, little craft and watercolor work. Okay, start from here. You can try any other color also in background. Okay, and see, I've checked everyone's work. Now all of you focus on coloring. Okay. This ways I will be going for small strokes, one direction, small strokes, one direction. Okay, first let's finish work, okay? Because if we will finish it quickly, so we will find lots of time for doing our watercolors and cutting work, okay? So let's complete it. I'm doing light green color in background, but if you want to try any other color, you can try it like orange, yellow, pink, है ना? You can try any other color, but make sure you will start from the corner, okay? Chalo, let's do it. Sap green or any other color you can try. Here you are free with your color scheme. Okay, you can try any color of your choice. So very slowly and gently you will be completing and finish it. Yes, earrings we will be doing with earbuds. Okay, with earbud we will do earrings. Try left earrings, and if you want to make a flower in mama's hair, so we will make that flower also in mama's hair with earrings. So see, I'm going in standing line everywhere. Okay. And this ways I will complete my light green color in complete background. You can see I'm not changing direction, and because of it, it is looking neat. Let's come back to story. So when mama went there, so many gifts like books, pencil, eraser, and few new dresses and some balloon, wonderful balloon were also there. When mama came in drawing room, they just said, Mama, see, all gifts are ready. Please give these gifts to these kids. You were always saying, now I want to help them. So today we collected money and we just bought some gift because we really want to give you that true happiness, that rich happiness. And mama was surprised that the children are so young and can think so big. Mama was very happy with a great smile, with a big smile. Mama started giving balloon, air balloon, and those kids were so poor. They were not having even money to purchase balloon anytime. They were very happy to have that heart-shaped balloon and books, pencil, eraser, and they were having a great smile after getting it. And as they were having a great smile after getting such lovely gifts, those were so poor kids. Mama was very happy. And afterwards, after giving them food also, they were invited for lunch also. So they all eat there, okay? And afterwards, they all went to their home. Mama just hugged with love, whole kids child, and said, thank you so much. This is the best surprise on Mother's Day, okay? So this was the surprise they planned. So show me the work because now the time for craft and watercolor, okay? Kiana, fill little dark in hair, okay? Fill dark and fill each and every corner for mom's hair, okay? And I can see though 3 kids, the drawing is so beautifully done. A single child also, drawing is so beautifully done. And it is really looking outstanding, wonderful. Let's come back to work. It is Sanidhya. Yes, Sanidhya. Yes, but you do color in cloths also. Make colorful cloths. Fill color in dresses also. Okay, now see that basic work is done. Now we will come on our craft work. So for craft work, you can take either this white paper. Okay, you can take a white paper like this. Any paper, okay? You can take any way. If you have colorful, you can take colorful. You can take any colorful, yellow, green, blue, any. And if you don't have, take simply white drawing sheet. Now fold it. Fold. Come on, fold your paper from center. Fold it nicely. Come on, do now. Now we will start with our craft work, okay? I will keep my drawing on one side and I will start with my craft work. Or let's keep the drawing also for those who want to see. Okay, fold it. All of you have done. Colorful paper you fold. Show all of you. Yes. Okay, fine. Now after this, you will take your sketch pen and you will be making one dot Make one dot. See, this is open part. I will not take open part, closed part, where you can't open. Take one dot in the corner. And take 3 fingers distance, 3 fingers distance. 3 fingers distance and take one more dot. Come on. So see what I did. When I fold, this is open part. I will not take 2 dots this side. I will take this side. You can take a craft paper. Okay, Griva? Now see, I took 1 and 2 points. If you want to make big heart, you can take it bigger also. Now the top point, upper point. You can take A4 size paper also. Yes, you can take. Now draw a C for cat. C for cat. Draw a C here. Come on, C for cat. On this point, you will fold, Anshika, and where it is folded, okay, this crease is here. There you will take 2 points. From top point, you will draw a C. Okay. Now this is the last point of C. Take a point on last point and connect it slanting to the other point. Come on. Connect it to other point. Make one more. Take 2 points. Yes, you can take any paper, any colorful paper. And if you don't have colorful paper, take white and afterwards color it. Simple. And this is C for cat. C for cat. And I will connect it here. Okay. Last point, I will connect. So see, I got 2 shapes of this kind. Now we will cut it. Come on, draw it. Show me. After making this drawing, show me. First show that how it's looking. Yes. Okay, 2 heart shapes are ready. It is a slanting line. Okay, now cut it. Let's cut it. You can take a small scissors or big. It is slanting line. See, this is slanting line and this is curved line. So I will simply cut it. And when I will open, I will get a lovely heart shape. See, this is half heart. And when you open, you will get a full heart shape. If your paper is white, you can color it with watercolors. Okay? Yes. And those who have colorful paper, so they can make colorful heart-shaped balloon. Okay, which they arranged. So this ways they just gave a true smile, rich happiness to Mama on the very special day of birthday. And Mama was very happy that kids have started thinking big. See, these 2 heart shapes are ready. Mine is of yellow color. Okay, mine is yellow. Okay, yes. Now, 2 heart-shaped balloons are ready. Now, I want to write my secret message behind balloon. Okay, we will be writing a secret message behind balloon. So how to put that secret message? And in secret message, what you will be writing? If you really want to see that true happiness and rich happiness on your mom's smile, true smile on your mom's face, so you can gift a promise to your mom. Okay, you know what promise your mom wants from you. You can promise I can eat healthy food. I will be eating healthy food. You can promise I will be never fighting with my younger ones or elder one. You can promise I will keep my things in order. You can promise that I will do my revision regularly. You can promise, Mama, I will never be loud. You can promise that I will obey you. This kind of promises. So if you really want to gift something, write your promises in your secret balloons. Done? Show thumbs up if you have done. Okay, now take one more paper. I will be taking one more paper. See, this is one more extra paper. And I will cut, I will just fold. Fold and cut a stripe. Okay, cut a stripe. I will cut a stripe. Any paper, any white paper, okay? Or you can take colorful also. If you want to put colorful inside, we just want a stripe. Take a stripe like this. Cut one more stripe because we are going to write hidden messages behind balloon. Okay? Behind balloon, we will be writing hidden messages. So this is a stripe and I will fold it double. and cut it. Okay, so I will get this kind of 2 rectangle shapes. Yeah. Okay, that stripe, you just fold and cut it in 2 parts. Because on these stripes, I'm going to write surprise message for your mom. Okay, we will be writing surprise messages and that will be hidden. Okay, on balloon, you will be writing, on heart shape, you will be writing Happy Mother's Day, but inside your promise. Okay, if you really want to see that great happiness, no other thing can give that true happiness except the promise. And you know what promise your mom wants from you. The gift a promise. Okay, a lovely promise, a lovely change in you. Okay, so yes, like anything, like keeping yourself organized, doing your homework, eating healthy food. Okay, see size, Shrita, for getting recording, when you will go near the links of class now, you will find a link of recording also. So after a few hours of class, when you click on that link of recording, it will take you to one more link, and that is the link of recording. Okay, now fold these papers double. Fold. Now see this, both papers I fold double. Vidya, if you have another class, you can leave the class. Okay, if you have another class, see this ways I will fold and make this kind of small writing pad. Okay, come on, make this. Okay, now your time for Fevicol. Fold it. I will be showing that we just cut heart shape, then I cut a stripe, fold, and now on the front, I will be putting message, Fevicol. Come on, put Fevicol on the front of your stripes. Come on, only on front. Okay. Put Fevicol. You can use super glue. You can use any kind of glue. Okay, there is no particular glue required because we are going to stick on the paper. And if you have different kind of stones, different kind of flowers, different kind of decorative material, so you can use that also in ridge drawing for making it looking. Yes, what I did, I cut a rectangle stripe, I fold, and then I applied Fevicol on one surface. And I cut 2 heart shapes. Okay, this is the work I did. Now put your heart. All of you say, I will put my heart on my paper. Top. Okay, this ways. Say this ways. Heart on paper. And where you will put? On the top part, not bottom part, top part. And bottom part which is coming out now, we will cut it. Don't worry. Okay, so this ways, your heart will look this ways. Come on. Do. This white should be hidden behind. Mine is coming out now, I will cut it off. Now what I did, I put Fevicol and do pasting of heart over it. Because this is the place where I will be writing my secret messages. Okay. My YouTube channel's name is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandel. And after making this drawing, you can share your image. And when you share your image now, just tag this. See this? You will be you tag this hash ArtGeo, and you can share your images with your relatives and friends. Done? All of you have done this much? Do its pasting. Now, see, all of you see, this is very important part. I just want your attention. 1 minute, you all see this. This is very important, okay? All of you be attentive. Now see, this white part is coming out now. I will cut it in the shape of heart. Cut it in the shape of heart. Simply cut in shape of heart. So what will happen? Extra paper will be removed. Now see, all of you see, you can see the writing pad is inside for writing your secret message. And these are going to be your balloons. Okay. Same, this extra line I will cut. I will just cut it in heart shape. And this balloon is also having a wonderful writing pad inside. And in this, I'm going to gift 2 promises to my mom. Okay, 2 promises. You can just gift a promise. I will eat salad every day. I will eat a fruit every day. I will not fight. I will not be loud. And you all know that what promise you are supposed to make, which will give your mom rich happiness. How many of you know what promise you can give? Show thumbs up. Do you know what promise you can gift? We all know. Yes. Hai na? Okay. Now we will. Yes. Now see, these are ready. See, these are inside. And here I will be writing my message. I will keep my balloon on one side. Let's complete now drawing. Okay. As time is running fast, now our watercolor work will start. Little cotton, 1 or 2 earbuds, water container. Okay, I'm going to give background with blue. You can try any other color, any other. You can go for yellow, you can go for orange, any color. Okay, I selected blue. So I will be taking blue color, but you can take orange and yellow also. Okay, with blue, your drawing will look like this. Okay, and if you want to put heart, see with blue, it will look like this. And if you want to put 2 hearts in front of babies also, so you can cut 2 more hearts, small hearts in front of babies. With blue, it is going to look like this. Okay, so you can try any other color also. If you think that your blue is very dark, so don't take blue. Then you can take orange or yellow also. Now take your cotton. Come on, be quick. Take cotton, dip it in water. Dip your cotton in water. Now squeeze. Remove extra water. Remove extra water from cotton. And with paintbrush, take little blue. Okay. Take little blue on. You can take any other color. If you think that your blue is very dark or not, you can take fluorescent pink. Hai na? You can take very beautiful pink is also there. Green also you can take. Orange you can take. I have this lovely blue color. I will be taking blue. Okay. And now see, I took blue with paintbrush. And now I will start my coloring now. See, how will I start? All of you see now. Ready? Are you ready with color on cotton? Yes. Now see first how you will move. You will start with your round. I will start moving my cotton round. And then one more round. One more round. One more round. One more round. And using cotton, you don't need to stop. Same here, one more round. One more round. One more round. See, I'm not taking color again and again, and gradually I will find this kind of lovely stripe with milky color. Okay, come on. And you will not be very harsh. With gentle, soft touch, you will be completing this. Okay, come on, do this. You will take color once and your color will be, it will be done. So take cotton, little color and start moving round. Okay, start moving round. Very carefully, okay? Very carefully, just move round and finish. So this ways, I used cotton for giving the beautiful blue, okay? Because I just want to connect the mom's energy to this kind of universe, you know, that universal power. So this blue will give that vast heart, effect of vast heart. Okay? Yes. And now our hearts are wetting, heart-shaped balloon. You can write your promise inside. You are best mom in the world. I promise you. Okay? Or I love you, whatever. This is a secret message. Okay, now what you will be doing, you will put Fevicol here. Put Fevicol here. Okay, this ways I will put Fevicol on other side of my stripe and I will place it near balloon. Okay, and if you feel that I want to make 2 heart shape, different, you can use any color. And those who are using white, their paper is white now, they can color their heart. They can color it with watercolors or see my 2 hearts are ready. See, And here is the writing space. I can write inside, okay? Secret messages. Over you will write Happy Mother's Day. And you can make such small hearts if you want to put in front of your babies. So you can make 2 hearts here also, okay? If you feel that you want to put it here. It is your choice. Okay? Yes, you can make a big heart also. And behind. See guys, I put Fevicol on this back portion. I will remove it on back portion and I did its pasting. Okay. Now the very last work, do its pasting. Okay. Paste it. And now first thing that what you are going to write in your secret message. Believe me, your mom will be more than happy if you gift a promise which your mom wants from you. Okay. A change which your mom wants in you. Give that promise and that will be the best gift of Mother's Day. Okay. It will give the rich happiness to your mom. Okay. Gifting a gift and just a formal card. Yeah, it's okay. But a promise is the great gift. Okay. So now let's come on our earbuds. Ready? Show me. Heart shape is done. Okay. So now you have 2 balloons for writing your messages. Lovely. Okay. Now take earbud and I will be making earrings with yellow you can make or you can make them red. I will be making it red. So let's start with yellow and let's complete flowers. Okay. So they collected white and yellow flowers from garden because they were knowing that mom loved white and red color flowers. So some white earbud. Okay. With earbud, I will be making flowers. If you have some artificial flowers, you can do pasting of that. Okay. Like I have one artificial flower. I can show that flower in mom's hair. And yellow. Okay, white and yellow flowers. You can make them of any color. And this time my color is not watery. I'm taking pure colors. Okay. And mama's earring. I can make one cute hair flower in mom's hair also. Right? Let's make one cute flower in mom's hair also. And I will be making earrings of mom with red. Okay, red color. You can make it golden also. I just want to make them red. And same red I will be applying in center of my flowers. Okay, leaves can be green. So let's do green color in leaves. Real flowers if you have, it's very good. Okay, like say I have a real flower. This kind of real flowers you have, now you just put these kind of flowers. You can put it on my mom's hair also, like this. See, it will look very good. Green color with earbud. Finish green color in your leaf. And this way is your drawing of, if you want to make some dots in mom's child's dress, you can make some dots to add a design if you want. Okay, otherwise you can just leave it. And your Mother's Day special card is ready. Okay, this kind of flowers if you have, so you can arrange this kind of flowers. If you have stone, you can just do pasting of stone around the frame. And anyways, flowers if you have. So this ways you can make your drawing looking very pretty and beautiful. Okay, so this was all about our today's work. And if you want to add, suppose your kids, the dress part is very big, so you can do pasting of 2 heart shape here also. Okay, if you want. And these are 2 space. You can open and write your messages, your promises, or your secret messages. And this is all about our today's learning. Mother's Day special card. Okay, and hopefully you all must have done. And the today's story also. And at the place of gifting, they just find out where mom finds true happiness. What will make her really happy? Okay? You can promise, Mama, I will help you every day. I will do dusting or I will do this work. I will share your work responsibility. You can share a small part of work of mom's responsibility. This also is a thing mom expect. And she also want little help. A small part of workload of mom you can share. So this is about today's artwork. This is about today's story. And if you enjoy story and artwork, please show a thumbs up with Buddy Wali smile. Please show that. Yes. Can I see it? Okay, that's really wonderful. What happened, Gurnav? What happened, Gurnav? Your work is left? Don't worry. Okay, say don't worry. Now you know the technique, Swara. You know the technique now? Have you done? Okay, very good. Many students are showing and they have done great work. And still they are busy. They're continuously doing. And I can see such lovely work many students are showing. So this is all about our today's work. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed. Your Mother's Day special card with 2 secret messages is ready. Behind this card, you can write your promises, lovely words for your mom, and make your Mother's Day very special because she is the one who deserves all happiness and respect of the world. Okay? So let's gift a promise. How many of you are going to gift a promise also? Show me thumbs up. Yes. And you know what promise you should give, which will make her happy. Okay? So with this, I will wind up. See these 2 hearts. If you want, you can do it pasting in front of Rohan and Ayushi. If you want, okay? And if you don't want, you can skip it. So with this, I will wind up. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Acha students, before winding up, I want to share this very important information. See students, on 20th of April last year, we started our classes, online classes. So on the occasion of birthday of our RGO, we are offering you a very special offer. Okay, this is a very special offer. Please listen, look at this very carefully. We are charging 1,200 rupees per child. But if you go for group enrollment, like 3 students together, then your fees will be reduced to 900. And if you go for 5 students together, group enrollment of 5 students, then you will be paying just 800 rupees at place of 1,200. And if you go for group enrollment of 8 students, then your fees will be almost half, that is 650 rupees only. Okay, so these are grand offers. Note down this phone number. You can WhatsApp or call on this number. This is 7617410911. Note down this number. Okay, you can call on this number. And when you will be sharing images, this image when you will share now, just tag this #RGO. Okay, you just tag this, you can forward. And yeah, one very important thing, don't forget to share your work on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID, RGO_classes. So after completing your work, send it here. I will do correction. I will send my compliments. I will send my, for 1 student, Lazia, there is no concession. Okay. For 1 student, no concession. This concession starts from 3, 5, and 8. Okay. This is my RGO_classes. This is Instagram ID. Okay. So send your work there. I will send my corrections, compliments, praises. Okay. Number. Please note down this number. This is very important number. You can simply call on this number. Note down 7617 410 911. Okay. You just note down this number. For any kind of query, you can call on this number. So, yes, now I think many of you must have completed also. So with love and blessings, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.